Hey, what's up guys? James here. Today, see this little flathead? I recommend you get something that's about that small, or you get something like this. I'm sorry if the video's got lag in it and latency. I'm going to make sure it's zoomed down all the way. I don't recommend anything specifically like this because, well, they bend. Like, very easy. See that? But today, and if you're wondering why my video sucks this time, right there's the actual phone that I did use for a while. There's no cards in it now. I think the screen don't want to cut on. Oh yeah, trying to cut it all the way off. But used to be fingerprint sensor, it's gone. We're not here for that though. We're here for this. The NX11 NextBook A8, I think it is. It's like A8. Go ahead and switch this down here that we can see more. It's the NX16 A811 6K PR. Got a front camera, a back camera, speaker. Battery is about right. Trying to remember. Yeah, it's about right about there, about where the camera is. And then the actual board's like near the top. Today, I'm going to take the part of it off, show you guys the inside. Now, if I can figure out how to do it and get it done right and actually find out all the stuff, I will either A, get a new version of Android installed on this tablet, and this tablet both, like the newest Android version, or B, I will download the Android stuff, and I will try to write my own operating system for both. So, that's my plan with both of these, because this one will not boot up. It's stuck on the NextBook powered by Android. So, I mean, since I gotta redo it anyways, I'll just put a new Android. And then this one, it's stuck on the no command line. It won't even boot. It'll make it to the smart tab screen, and then that's all. But we ain't here about that. We ain't here about taking it apart. What you do is you see, you got like between the screen and stuff, there's like these little tiny cracks. Trying to find the best spot for it. Like right there. This is like, it's because this tablet's broke. I recommend getting credit cards or something really small to do this, because if your tablet's not cracked and you push down, it will break it. Because you will push down, like go through one of those, and if you're not careful, it will break. But I'm going to be right back. I'm going to get the back off, and then we'll continue. Okay, now this is the inside of that tablet. Bring the light a little closer. Don't ever do what I do here and there. Like some things that I do, don't do, because you can damage your device. Like you will see. You don't really need to do it, but I have been putting, well, basically thermal paste on the inside of devices, because this tablet was overheating really bad. Like, you couldn't touch it. See, right here you got the screen. That's what this is. It cuts the screen on and off, because, you know, it's a screen piece. And then, like, right here, I'm trying to remember which one it was. Yeah, this one. Right there is, like, the processor that it had. Parts of the plastic that are chipping away. Sorry about that, you guys. Spilled water or something in my floor a second ago, and I just felt it. Sorry about that. Now you will notice, yeah, I am on the floor. It's why I don't do certain things. But that's the battery. As you can see, a lot of people will tell you to unplug your battery if you had device problems. Well, for people who don't want to solder, which is people like me, I mean, I don't mind soldering, but I'm put it this way. When you don't have the right tools, you don't want to do it, and plus, like, a lot of people aren't going to want to do that, because, I mean, you know, you buy a device, you don't want to have to take it apart, because that does kill the warranty. The minute that back comes off, the warranty's dead. Right, here's a speaker. it plugs in right there. Forgot what that was. I don't want to take the thing off, but you got the little camera, back camera. And I just took all the thermal paste off of that one piece, but that's okay. Again, don't do half stuff I do. Like you see, I've bent this right here some. You need like a credit card or something, but figured I'd show everyone the inside of this tablet. Next, we'll see that one. That'll be the next teardown video. If you need to get the screen out, you get the battery out, and then there's little screws along the edge. Screw there, screw at the bottom, screw over here. You'll take those out to get the screen itself out. But if you just need to replace the board and the battery you'll basically need to take out. I ain't gonna do it because, well, if you screw up the battery, then that's it. But there's screws in the board itself, like there's a screw in this corner, screw there, and then a screw up there. And then, yeah, that's all the screws for the board. And then you'll just pull it off. But that's the Aries tablet, the NextBook A8. To get it back on, you just... Oh yeah, another thing I forgot to mention. When it comes to it, also watch these buttons on the side, and then watch, like... This one don't have it, but the big tablet has, like, little metal things, and if they come out, they're, like... They're magnetic. And I'm not going to say they will, but I'm not going to say that they won't. Now, as far as putting it back together, this is actually why you don't need anything besides a flat head or something, because everything just snaps. And if you use the wrong tool and you break those snaps, it won't go back together. Plus, if you damage the screen with like a 4-way, you know, it'll be a lot more harder to try and fix that. Whereas with a flat head, as you can see, like I said, like, you know, I got this tablet from somebody else, so, I mean, the screen's already got some chips underneath it, that's why there's a hole there. But, yeah, that's that tablet. Aries. NextBook A8. Front and rear. Had Android 6.0 on it. So, that's that one. We'll do this one in the next video. Like and subscribe. If you want to see anything else, right there's a keyboard that goes with that. I got this computer case, which, just a computer case. I was going to put my computer in it, but case wasn't connecting to it. And then I got other devices, you know. Got this screen, laptops, pieces of a laptop. Also got a Frontier box. Just let me know what you want. Like this video. And push the button to subscribe. And we'll be doing that tablet in a minute in the next video.